Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff, and today I have yet another cool, awesome thing to check out. I just got this in from dbrand, the very popular smartphone skin maker. It's the new Teardown skin from dbrand for the Nintendo Switch. Alright, so the Nintendo Switch has been around for a while now, and initially there was a lot of warnings about using skins on them, but luckily dbrand managed to create a skin that uses glue that won't harm the texture on the Nintendo Switch if you decide to take it off. So in the meanwhile, here's a way to make your Nintendo Switch look even cooler than possible, with a nice little refresh after many years. Also, if you've just generally been curious about what the internals of your Nintendo Switch looks like, well, here you go. There's a skin for that. Alright, so in case you haven't heard about it before, the Teardown skin is a new limited edition drop from dbrand and Jerry Rig Everything. It's kind of like having a transparent back for your phone, but you get to keep your warranty. To produce the Teardown skins, dbrand partnered with Zach Nelson, the famous YouTuber also known as Jerry Rig Everything, who kind of got the whole transparent back mod fad started. And here we have Zach bringing that Teardown look to the masses, and all you have to do is give dbrand a bunch of your money. How they did this is actually pretty cool. They produced really detailed internal scans, so every Teardown skin is actually a really accurate representation of your device internals. All that in a nice feeling durable skin with a clear finish and a very crisp print. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the part where I give you guys a tutorial on how to apply the skin. dbrand already has a bunch of videos explaining how to install the skin yourself, and they do a pretty good job at that. So with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at how the dbrand Teardown skin looks like on device. Alright guys, so that was a quick look at the Teardown skin by dbrand on the Switch. As always, if you guys have any questions about it, you can let me know right in the comment section below, or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.